Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is the first video of Fall Makeup Fridays. I am bringing back this series. It's basically a makeup look on Fridays throughout the season of fall. I started it last year and I figured I might as well just do it this year. So hopefully this one is coming out on the first Friday of fall. Hopefully. It's really gloomy outside today. It's the perfect fall day. I have my coffee in my Plant Mom mug and I'm ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and let's just go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the face because I am not doing much on the eyes today. I don't even want to put primer on. I have moisturizer on and I have like this gross under the skin pimple right there. I'm just gonna apply my concealer. It is almost 6:30 in the evening and I'm not doing anything today. It's a Saturday, so I don't want to wear a ton of makeup, I guess is where I was going with that. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer and then blend it out with my little e.l.f. small oval brush. I am so ready for fall. I don't think I've ever been more ready for fall in my life as I am this year. I don't know why. I feel like when you get to the end of summer and it's like just cloudy anyway, you don't care anymore. You want fall. At least that's the way it is for me. Then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, which is my Rimmel Insta contour stick. You guys know the drill. I bet you will be so happy when I stop using all of these old products that I use in all of my videos. It'll feel nice to not use these products anymore. I did my nails for you guys. Finally. I feel like they were looking abysmal. Is that a word? Abysmal for days. I feel like there was blush left on this brush because my cheeks look really red. And I have blush that I was gonna apply, but I'm like worried now because that's like it looks so red. But I'll just apply a little bit of blush anyway, and I'm going to take my Between the Sheets from ColourPop. So let me know what types of fall looks you guys want. I think today is more like a quick, easy, everyday fall makeup look. But let me know what types of looks you want to see for Fall Makeup Fridays. I'm obviously not a makeup artist, so I can't do super intense looks. But simple, everyday, easy to recreate type looks I can certainly do, I think. So let me know if there's anything you want to see. And I'm using the remainder of my Rimmel Matte powder to set my skin. I'm just kind of setting the areas where I applied most of the concealer. I know I kind of rubbed it across my face a little bit, but I primarily want to use this matte powder just in like the center spots where I applied that concealer. Spritzing my face with the dewy glass, well, the glass spray from Maybelline, but it is dewy. Oh, I already did my eyebrows, so I usually do my eyebrows while I'm letting this setting spray dry. But yes, we can move on to the eyes. So like I mentioned, I'm going to keep this super simple, like real simple. So I want to take this brown eyeliner and line my upper lash line with it. It doesn't have to be neat, because I'm going to blend it out with a brush. And because it's still September when I'm filming this, I'm going to take my Good as Gold palette from, I should have done a palette that would have, like colors that would have matched my sweater today. I'm going to take this light brown shade, which is called Bold Rush, and I'm going to use this one to smudge out my lash line a bit. I'm going to take Big Brooch as well, which is a brown, like a dark brown with a bit of glitter in it. And I'm going to use that a little bit closer to the lash line, like right above the liner. So I took the original brown Bold Rush a bit higher. So this one I'm keeping closer to the lash line. Then I'm going to take a fluffier brush and I'm going to go in with State of Mind which is actually state of mind, like not state of mind, it's state of mind, as in yours and mine. But I think actually they're referring to like a gold mine in this case. Make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm also going to just take a little bit of that State of Mind shade, whatever was left on my brush, along my lower lash line. I don't actually want to add any dark under my lower lash line today. I'm just going to keep it bare. I kind of like that lately. I want to leave it like that. I don't know, maybe I should add a little bit more color because it is kind of boring. I don't know. I'm always like torn. I want to do more, but then at the same time, I'm like, I got to keep things simple sometimes. But I want to take a little bit of Nugget About It, which is a bronze. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this right on top of Big Brooch. I don't know if I should have done this, but whatever. It's too late now. Oh, it's like pouring rain outside. I had to close all my windows because they were doing window cleaning on my building. But it's absolutely miserable. It's like pouring. If my window was open, you guys would have heard it. I'm just blending this out a bit. Okay, I think I better stop there before I do too much. I'm just going to take 24 karat with my finger and use this in the inner corner. Okay, that is it for the eyes. So I'm going to, I still look so greasy from that spray. I swear that spray makes my face look oily every time I use it. I really dislike that spray, but I feel bad if I just throw it away, so I feel like I have to use it. Anyway, I'm gonna apply some mascara and then I will pop back lips, and that is it. That is the look. Okay, whoa, there is lightning outside right now. I'm not like scared of thunderstorms, but I'm always like scared that the lightning's gonna strike something close to me. Oh my god, there's a thunder. Okay, this is the eye look complete. I just applied mascara and I only applied it to my upper lid. Kind of been liking the mascara just on the upper lashes lately. So I don't know, I feel like sometimes it makes me look younger than having it on the lower lashes. But for the lips, I'm going in with Cloud Dynasty by ColourPop. It's their Luxe lipstick. I love this formula. It's the only color I have in the line, and I swear I always say that I need to get more ColourPop lipsticks like the ones that I like, but I just never get around to going to their site. And that completes this makeup look. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. By the way, I didn't mention, but this is my latest sweater design. It is basically a pullover or a jumper. It reminds me of autumn a lot. Like I keep thinking of a harvest or pumpkins or something like that. Like it definitely feels like a fall sweater, but I love it so much. It's so cozy and warm. I've been wearing it all day because I've been in love. It's not my best. I will say there's like even like around the edges here, and there's like a lot of things that went wrong because it was my first time doing a jumper style with knitting, not crocheting. So it definitely isn't my best work, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like I mentioned, let me know what other fall looks you want to see this Fall Makeup Friday series. I am open to doing anything as long as it's not too hard and something that's within my skill level would be great. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.